Doogee S96 GT is an affordable smartphone that is packed with features and built to survive the toughest environments. Let's break down what makes this smartphone stand out and where it falls short. First off, let's talk about the specs. The Doogee S96 GT is powered by the MediaTek Helio G95 SoC, which is a pretty robust choice for a rugged smartphone. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, so you've got plenty of room for all your apps and media. This device also includes a quad camera setup with a 48 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide, a 2 megapixel macro, and a 20 megapixel night vision camera, which is a standout feature for any rugged smartphone. Now let's talk about the design. The S96 GT comes in a striking sunrise gold color, which adds a bit of bling to its rugged build. It's designed to withstand harsh conditions with its IP68 and IP69K ratings, meaning it's dustproof, waterproof, and drop resistant. It's also MIL STD 810H certified, so it meets military standards for durability. One of the highlights is its 6.22-inch LCD screen. While it's bright enough for outdoor use, the 720p resolution is a letdown. Today, even at this price, a phone really should offer at least 1080p display. Performance-wise, the Helio G95 combined with 8 GB of RAM ensures smooth operation for most tasks. Whether you're using it for work or play, this phone can handle it. The inclusion of a 6350 mAh battery is decent, though not as large as some other rugged phones out there. It supports 24-watt fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging, which is a nice touch. One thing to note is that the S96 GT does not support 5G. It sticks to 4G LTE, which might be a deal breaker for some, especially in areas where 5G is becoming more common. The camera setup is quite versatile. The 48 megapixel main sensor takes good quality photos in daylight, and the night vision camera is a unique feature that works well in complete darkness. However, the ultra-wide and macro lenses are just average. Video recording maxes out at 4K for the rear camera, but the front camera is limited to 1080p, which is a bit disappointing. In terms of usability, the S96 GT runs on Android 12, providing a clean and modern user experience. It has a customizable side button, a fingerprint reader, and even a headphone jack, which is rare these days. In summary, the Doogee S96 GT is a strong contender in the rugged smartphone market, offering a good mix of durability, performance, and unique features like the night vision camera. It's a great choice for those who need a reliable phone for harsh environments, though the screen resolution and lack of 5G might be points of consideration. To sum up what I like is the durable build with IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD 810H certification, the powerful Helio G95 SoC chip, the versatile quad camera setup with night vision, the 24-watt fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging, the decent battery life for a rugged phone, and the affordable price. On the downside, 720p screen resolution, there is no 5G support, hefty and bulky design, and average ultra-wide and macro camera performance.